can I produce money? Working. All right. How can I produce power? Working in a period of time. Working in a period of time. Ah, this is a perfect definition. Power is equal to the work in a unit of time. Bingo! I discovered the formula for power. I need to work in a period of time. What is the unit of power in mechanical system? Horsepower. Horsepower. Is the work in a period of time. What is the unit of power in electrical system? Excuse me? Excuse me? Watt. Now I understand. Power is work in a period of time. Why that guy have more power than me? Because that guy wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning and go to sleep at 10 p.m. in the evening. Work a lot in a long period of time. You only work 3 hours, and after 3 hours you sleep the rest of the day. Your power is nothing. Nice, huh? I love it, that definition. All right, good. Now we understand what is the meaning of work, what is the meaning of torque, what is the meaning of power. All right, pay attention. Now we are going to try to understand why the torque in this career, in the marine career, in the naval industry, is more important than the horsepower. At the end of the day, the boat is more efficient if the boat moves at high speed, if the boat is able to pull another boat, if the fuel consumption in the boat is good, you consider that this boat is more efficient. And there are a lot of considerations in order to obtain a good, efficient boat. You say, I am going to select a good propulsion system. I am going to select the best propeller, because I want that the propeller produce the maximum thrust. Perfect. The maximum thrust in order to push the boat on the water. And the propeller is able to produce more thrust if the propeller produces higher torque. The torque is the magical number that I need. Let me explain something. I have an example. I have a Cadillac Escalade, and my daughter have a Honda Civic. How many liters is the Honda Civic? 1.5 liters, something like this, no? In comparison with 7 liters, no? Wow. All right. I am going to do a race between the Cadillac and the Honda Civic. A race, 2 blocks. Starting 1, 2, 3, right now. Okay. Who reached the end quickly, immediately? The Honda Civic or the Escalade? Excuse me? The Honda Civic in less than 7 seconds is over there, no? And this one in 25 seconds will be there. What happened, my friend? I have 7 liters in comparison with 1.2 liters, and in my boat I need to know how much torque produces the propeller, because with the torque I can calculate the thrust, and I can know if my boat is efficient or not. The torque is the most important, because the torque at the end of the day is the unit that moves it, advanced. The horsepower, no. This is why I always refer that example is on on the restaurants, the American restaurants, on Sunday in the morning, how many Harley Davidsons are parked over there? 20, 30 in each restaurant. And what is the conversation of the guys, the owner of the motorcycle? Oh, my motorcycle is 200 horsepower, 250, 230. But at the end of the day, the horsepower is not relevant. It's which one have more torque, which one produce more torque, which one is more efficient. Yeah? This is why I want that you be concentrated in the future in the torque.